How to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, and let's get started. To make longer Instagram videos, the thing that you can apply is post is add a normal post. For that, just open the Instagram app. Once you open Instagram, you have this icon on the bottom. Click on the plus icon, and hereby you can choose on any video on the post section and then play it. Additionally, you can also select on multiple videos, tap on next and post the video at once. This is one way to do so. The next way is again click on the plus icon and this time select on Reels. However, the limit to this is 90 seconds and you can only upload videos up to 90 seconds by selecting on the length. So these are the two ways that you can apply. That's all for today's video, and for more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.